Ligurian-style sole is a delicate and flavorful dish that celebrates the flavors of the sea and the aromatic herbs typical of Ligurian cuisine. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 4 soles, smaller ones are better. Flour, as needed. 50 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. 2 cloves of garlic. A bunch of finely chopped parsley. 1 glass of dry white wine. Some pitted Taggiasca olives. Salted capers, rinsed and squeezed, as needed. 1 lemon, the juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Potatoes, optional. Preparation: clean the soles by removing the skin and the innards, then rinse them under running water and dry them with kitchen paper. Lightly flour the soles. This will help to create a light crust during cooking and to keep the fish soft inside. In a large pan, heat the extra virgin olive oil and sauté the garlic cloves until they turn golden. Gently lay the soles in the pan and brown for about 3–4 minutes per side. Deglaze with the white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Add the chopped parsley, Taggiasca olives, and capers. Adjust with salt and pepper. Cover with a lid and cook over low heat for about 10 minutes. During the cooking, baste the soles with their cooking juices. Deglaze with the lemon juice just before turning off the heat. Serve the soles hot, drizzling them with the sauce created in the pan. If you wish, you can accompany them with baked or boiled potatoes as a side dish, which you can cook separately and add to the dish before serving. Curiosity: the sole is a prized fish, appreciated for its white and delicate flesh. In Ligurian cuisine, fish is often enhanced by local ingredients, such as olives and capers, that accentuate its flavor without overpowering it.